So we have covered the most major box properties. The last primary one is going to be borders. Okay, so there's a couple of sections for this because there's quite a few options. And there's even more options than I'm going to cover here, but just so you can at least see some of them. When you are determining the border, you can determine the border style. So there are a number of styles, such as it being solid, dotted, dash, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, hidden, and none. So you can kind of see an example. I think this one is dashed. So this is the dash one. This one's solid. Let me see. This one is inset. And what's the bottom one here? This one's outset. Okay, so you can kind of see an example of the different styles here. These CSS properties align up to these down here. All right. You can also determine the different style of each side. So you can see some of these have the styles change depending on what you have. So like this one's got something different on this side versus this side. So you can do top border top style and then say what it is, border left style, so on and so forth. You can also determine the border color, right? So it follows the same rules as the other color names. You know, you can do RGB, hex code, HSL, obviously CSS color names. So that determines the colors. And you can see here, again, we determine the colors by those numbers. Okay, and you can also determine specifically each one. So right here, you can see top, this bottom one here, we got top color red, border right color yellow, right? So it goes clockwise, so red to yellow. That is the ugliest yellow I've seen. Green, bottom color green. I think it's because this one's using outset, so it's like shading it, so that's why it looks like black. And then the left color was blue, right? So you can also determine that. So you can get you can do quite a few things with